Hey, hey, hey! Buenas tardes, amigos, amigas, compañeros, compañeras outside the Philippines and to the whole world, to the other countries that might be reached by this short video of mine. Being having enough time at the age of 64. I just want to be with you. I just also to share you as your information about a short situation here in our region. Of course, the Eastern Visayas region. My friends, for those who are coming from these places of Eastern Samar, you may ignore this video. I just want to to share to the people outside the Philippines and to the whole world that might be reached by this short video. Please ignore my friends if you are from our place. But of course, I want to give information to my friends about the situation here in Eastern Visayas region, particularly in Eastern Samar province. Eastern Samar province is found in Eastern Visayas region. And of course, Eastern Visayas region composed of 6 provinces. One is Eastern Samar, Northern Samar, Western Samar, Leyte, Southern Leyte, and the last is Biliran province. These are the 6 provinces of Eastern Visayas region. We will focus here in my province of Eastern Samar. I just want to tell you here the different municipalities that compose by Eastern Samar. So, here in Borongan City, this is the center of Eastern Samar province. We will move to the right or the south wing of this province, going to Kiwan. From the center, Eastern Samar, from the center is Borongan City. Going to the south wing, we will reach Maydulong. After Maydulong, we have Balangkayan, then Llorente, Hernani, then General MacArthur Municipality. And General MacArthur Municipality, we will have a crossing going to Giwan and to Tacloban. So, from General MacArthur going to Tacloban, we will reach Kinapundan. This is still Eastern Samar. Kinapundan, Piporlos, Balanhiga, and then the last town here going to Tacloban. The last town is Lawaan Municipality, which is the boundary of Western Samar and Eastern Samar. Okay, bringing it back to MacArthur, still have different towns, still a component of Eastern Samar. From General MacArthur, we will reach the town of Salcido, then the town of Mercedes. Next is moving to the last part, Giwan Eastern Samar, a big municipality. The last part going to the south, Giwan Eastern Samar, which is facing to the Pacific, Eastern Pacific Ocean. Okay, my friends, bringing you back to the center of Eastern Samar, which is Borongan City. Let's move to North Wing. First, we will reach the municipality of San Julian. This is now to the North Wing. After San Julian, we will reach Sulat, then Taft, Canabid. As I know, this nearby town of Canabid, which is located in mountainous areas, this is an interior municipality. Municipality of Hipapad and Maslug. This is upstream. So back to the highway, Canabid going to the last part of Eastern Samar, north. Canabid, we will reach Dolores, Eastern Samar, Oras, a big municipality of Oras. Then San Policarpo, Eastern Samar. The last municipality of Eastern Samar, the end part of the Eastern Samar is the municipality of RTC. So we will stop here. We will not go out because the next municipality is the area of Northern Samar. We will stop here in RTC. As I have said, this is the last municipality of Eastern Samar facing to the Pacific Ocean. Okay. So that, as you know, we have 23 municipalities of Eastern Samar. The center is Borongan. Of course, my friend, hopefully, if you happen to be here in our place, don't hesitate to inquire or call my name. This is El Caminero, so that I can give you a complete guide the whereabouts of these different municipalities in Eastern Samar. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Till my next video. See you soon. Goodbye.